welcome to my channel. This is Surbi here. Thank you so much for being here. In my last video I made a beautiful abstract painting, landscape painting, and I was so impressed with the results. The beautiful shimmer and the shine were just from the iridescent paints. There's no varnish on this painting yet. So I plan to do a similar landscape painting but using different colors. The bottom part I'm going to be using beautiful red, which is mixed with metallic orange, coppery gold color, and a green color as well, as is the land part. And on the top part, as it's going to be for the sky part, I'm going to be using beautiful blues mixed with metallic silver and metallic and white. So I'm really looking forward that this painting turns out amazing and beautiful as the last one. So please stay with me. All the colors are going to be in the description box. Most of the colors are from Pebeo Studio acrylics. Some of them are iridescent paints. So if you like this video, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I'm very excited for this painting. I hope this turns out amazing as well. So let's keep my fingers crossed. Let's hope. And let's start painting.